Hey there, YouTube listeners. Coming to you with some tips for WMIC. WMIC stands for Windows Management Instrumentation Command-line. WMIC allows you to obtain, many details from your Windows machine without having to dig through all the different GUIs to find the information. And some of the details, honestly, are next to impossible to find in some of the GUIs. So let's get started. Let's start with WMIC QFE. This is going to list all the patches on your Windows machine. This can sometimes be hard to determine. You can adjust the sizing of your screen. Sorry if this is too small for you, but we're going to keep it as is. So we're in CLS. Next, let's take a look at all the startup items on your machine. WMIC startup list full. Enter. Okay. So we see a lot there. We see all the details on how the different commands are running. Let's go ahead and list it brief. See what that looks like. So much smaller, a lot less details, but often where you can list the full command, you can also list the brief command to get fewer details. So just keep that in mind. Let's see when the last time this machine was booted up. WMIC OS get last boot time. Boot up time. All right. So we can see today is 5/23/2025, and you have a timestamp there too. So if you're doing remote triage, looking on a machine, some of these commands can be very useful for querying on that remote machine. And there's various tools that you can automate some of this, especially if a machine's been compromised or something like that. So keep that in mind. Keep some of these tools, these commands in your back pocket for when you might need them. All right, let's take a look at the accounts, including their SIDs. It's because old typo. There we go. See the different accounts, the SIDs. Very useful information. Clear that screen. And let's take a look at all the local users, even though we've kind of already seen that. But we get a brief list here. So if you're, again, looking for less details, this is a better route to go. We'll clear the screen. Let's look at the groups. Okay. We see a variety of groups. Does anything look abnormal? You definitely would want to make a list of what's normal, so then that way, with the baseline, so then that way you could determine what's abnormal, new groups, new users, and things like that. And these are all local groups. So let's take a look at process list. How about that? WMIC process list. Whew. That is ugly. So let's go ahead and use some additional commands there. Okay, full. Wow, there's a lot of details that go by. You could run that with the pipe more command, to pipe, see page by page output. Kill that. And how about let's just do in brief. All right. And I purposely started a process, dialer.exe, and we're going to go ahead and use WMIC to kill that. So keep in mind that sometimes you may need to use an administrator level prompt with elevated privileges to do this, but we'll go ahead and give it a shot here for this. Looks like it's successful. Nope, nothing there. So that looks good. Deleted with success. So with that, that is an end to this demonstration. Hopefully this is helpful. I will continue to put out short videos like this that will be beneficial to you in troubleshooting and learning more about security, uh, different awareness techniques, and so forth. Take a look at the various links within this YouTube video and the about to find where you can find more details on more commands to use. And yeah, so have a great day. Thank you for your time. Hope you enjoyed this. Bye bye now.